Today I want to show you how to connect a downspout drain to a drainage line that you may have installed. It's really important to make sure you excavate the entire area below that downspout. Sometimes below the surface you're going to run into the concrete footer. It's okay if you run into that, just dig around it and get this pipe as close as possible. It's always helpful to have an extra person. We use the adapters that you can find at most of your hardware stores and put it on, and the goal is to get the pipe to go straight up and down. So by removing all of the dirt, it allows you to push the pipe into place. And then a second person is handy to kind of lock it in place with some dirt. And just like that, with an extra hand, you can get that professional look.
You can see the pipe laying there. We've already started it in the rear. We're going to bring that right out here to the sidewalk, to the corner, at the corner of the sidewalk and the driveway, let that pop up. We've got some obstacles. We've got